welcome back. Today is a different type of video. It's kind of a haul, okay, but it is also a little spotlight on some small businesses. I think all of these are from Etsy. I figured, okay, listen, so I needed to get a new phone case because my current phone case is this Moira phone case from Schitt's Creek with like all of her different wigs and faces on them, right? Okay. But I have dropped it several times and this little piece at the top is like coming off. Do you see that? Okay, so I needed to get a new phone case and I got this phone case from an Etsy store. I like searched for Schitt's Creek phone cases, found that one and got it. And they have this one of Moira dressed up in her outfit that she wore for David and Patrick's wedding, which I love that. And I almost got that one, but then I found a different one instead. Okay, so that's how this all started, is I needed a phone case. I buy like presents and stuff from Etsy sometimes, like Christmas presents and things like that, but very rarely do I like look on Etsy for myself, right? And I've been wanting to a lot more lately because I buy so much stuff from Amazon and like fuck Jeff Bezos, you know? So I've really been wanting to support more small businesses. For my birthday, I went to a locally owned consignment shop that I talked about in my birthday haul video. This video I am pre-filming a little bit. If you recognize the nails, we are still smack dab in the middle of spooky season, but that's okay because my entire life is spooky season and that will become clearer as you watch today's video. Okay, short story long. Basically, I needed a new phone case, and then I kind of went down this rabbit hole of different things on Etsy. A lot of spooky season themed stuff, but today I am going to show you some of the stuff that I picked up, and I have like a list of the stuff that I got, and it's a lot of stuff, and I didn't want to like just make a whole huge long video about it. So if you guys would like a part 2 to this, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up because I do have stuff to do a part 2 if you're interested. There's some pretty cute stuff in here. If you're looking for fun Etsy sellers, this is definitely where you're gonna find them because I found some cute stuff. So let's go ahead, jump into what I picked up, and if you want a part 2, let me know because I'm probably gonna do it. Okay, let's go. So naturally the phone case first. Can we just appreciate how cute this packaging is? I picked up this phone case. I have a list here because I'm never gonna remember anything ever. I picked up this phone case from an Etsy shop called CraftedbyMoniqueF. I will leave links to all of this stuff down below if you are interested in something that I've mentioned here in particular, or if you want to check out their shops. Again, lots of them have so much cute stuff. But I picked this up. It was $22, which I felt like was pretty good for a phone case. And look at the packaging, okay, because I feel like this is just a great setup to what we're doing here today. This is the phone case. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, I'm pretty sure. God, I hope so. Oh, how cute. Thank you for supporting my business. A little discount code and a Sour Punch straw. You know what I've noticed, like in all seriousness? As I've purchased stuff from these Etsy shops, they have then, most of them have sent me discount codes, which makes me go and buy more. So some of this stuff is stuff I went back to get after they sent me a discount code. So first of all, kudos to you guys, because that is definitely how you sucker me back in. But second of all, look at how cute this is. I'm just gonna give you guys a little close-up. It is all horror movie villains. Oh my goodness. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? So I was literally, I couldn't decide between this and the Moira Rose, like that Pope looking costume one. This one ended up winning out because hello, I'm obsessed with it. So that'll fit, right? My husband does my phone stuff. I need him to switch over the screen protector because I can never get the bubbles out. So I'm gonna have him switch over the case when he switches that over. Anyways, so cute. I love it. Okay, that's what started this whole thing. Because then I bought that and then it was like, oh hey, if you like spooky stuff, why don't you look at this stuff? And I was like, okay. So then I got some other stuff. This one is from HTWearArt. Okay, this is a shirt. I got a size large because I like shirts to be a little baggier. But this one says Tim Burton and chill. You guys, I have no words. This is the best thing ever. I've noticed a lot of the sizing on Etsy depends, or like a lot of the pricing on Etsy depends on what size you get. So the larges tend to cost more. And then I did not mark down when I had coupons. So this shirt cost $25.52. Also though, from HTWearArt, I bought the shirt I'm wearing now. David in a field. It's just a picture of David in a field. If you don't know what this is from, watch Schitt's Creek because it's amazing. But that's literally, okay, this is also a size large, $22.52. I bought this, then they sent me a discount code, and I used the discount code to get a discount on a sweet Tim Burton and Chill shirt. And I regret nothing. I love both of these. And this is super comfortable. Like, I love this. And it's like, you know, I like it, okay? I love this. I was going to wait to film this, so I wasn't pre-filming it, but I can't wait. I need to wear these clothes. I need to wear these clothes. I am so pumped. Okay, so I got that one. Okay, now ironically, I did get a ton of spooky season stuff. That was the bulk majority of what I got. But I also got a couple of Schitt's Creek things. Because again, when I was looking for the Schitt's Creek phone cases, this stuff popped up. And then when I picked out the Scary Friends phone cases, the scary stuff popped up. So that's literally, it was Schitt's Creek and spooky season stuff, horror movie stuff. That's what I bought. So this is another Schitt's Creek item. This is from HappierHomeMadeGifts. And it was packaged like pretty well actually. Like I'm impressed. It's a Schitt's Creek tumbler. Okay, if you know a person in your life that likes Schitt's Creek, go on Etsy because they have some of the cutest stuff. This I love because it's just like a mashup of different Schitt's Creek quotes and things like that. You've got Moira saying, "Stop acting like a disgruntled pelican. Pick up a hammer and nail this coffin shut. I have asked you thrice now for a towel." The roses, like literally, it's so much. And I love this, okay? So this is an insulated mug, which is fabulous. This cost $30, and I think that's such a steal. It's such a steal. Look at this. I use some type of tumbler every day, and yes, 100% this will be going into the rotation because this is the cutest thing ever, and I love this. I picked up a few tumblers. I only picked up one Schitt's Creek one though. The rest are all horror movie themed, but this is just darling. It's darling. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Okay, this next product is from Alliwanna Designs. This was $30.99. And you guys, this is a sweater. Okay, I have a weird thing with sweaters. I live in Arizona, but like I do wear sweaters during like the winter time, but I have like this ungodly need to have sweaters and hoodies and stuff. I get cold easily, okay? Y'all, it says Michael Myers Butcher Shop. Can we just appreciate how sweet this is? And it's just a nice, big, gray, baggy sweater. It's beautiful. I love it. And is that in poor taste? Is this joke in poor taste? I think it's great, okay? I think this is so cool. I love this. And this sweater is so comfortable. It has like this lining inside. Oh my God, yes. This is what I need for my spooky season, for all of my seasons, okay? Year round, baby. Maybe not in the summer because I die, but other than that, year round. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, so then I did pick up quite a few t-shirts actually, and I regret absolutely nothing about that. This t-shirt was $27. I got it in a large too. Larges fit me the best, and this one, if y'all don't know, my all-time favorite horror movie is Scream. They're coming out with a new Scream movie, and from what I've heard, it has like so many of the original cast members in it. Oh my God, yes, I need that in my life. But my favorite horror movie of all time is Scream. It is the best. It is a classic. It was like time-changing. It changed the course of horror movies for time. It's a great movie, okay? So I got this t-shirt. Woodsboro Horror Film Club. Again, if you've seen the movie, it makes a lot more sense. I'm obsessed with this. I'm obsessed with this. I actually plan at some point in time to get like a half or a quarter sleeve on my arm right here. Just a bunch of horror movie villains because that's how much I love horror movies. And this is amazing. I love this. This is so cute. This is so my style. And this one was $27. I normally don't spend that much. Like I normally don't spend this much on clothes. But for handmade items, I'm supporting small businesses, okay? I'm helping the economy. Next up, this is from a company called Chapman Jewelry, okay? This, I don't think is spooky themed at all, but I saw these and I was like, yes! Also, Etsy is where I get like all of my personalized jewelry. So like I've got like stuff with my kids' birthstones in it. I've got stuff with my kids' names on it. Like this is where I get it all. Ooh, lots of information. FAQ. There's a damn ring sizer. That's awesome. Love that. So I ended up getting 2 rings. These were $29 each. And I ended up getting 2 of them. Okay, so I got these rings. I don't know if you can see those or not. This is like the worst angle ever, but I wear rings a lot. If you guys have been following me, you know that. And I saw these rings. There's this like dual chevron one, and then just this really pretty one. They're nice, they're simple, they're thumb rings. A lot of the rings that I have are not big enough for my thumbs. So I thought these were so cute. I loved them. Had to get them. It's just nice, simple, classic jewelry. Like Etsy literally has everything. So naturally they have like good classic jewelry, but so much of their stuff is so cute. And I don't understand how. I just haven't been paying attention, I guess. Like I usually only go on Etsy if like I need to get something specific, and this time, well, obviously not. Also, let me go ahead and talk about this really quick since I just did a ring. I got this ring for $19.99. It's from a shop called LemonLimeCreations, and you guys, this is so spooky season. I love it. I don't even know if you'll be able to tell, right? So I got it for my thumb again, and I got the rose gold, but like around the rim of the ring, it's like these little pumpkin jack-o'-lantern faces. I don't know if you can see it because it's so tiny, but that little detail I am obsessed with. I freaking love this. It is so cute. I'm gonna put back on my ring because I want to take pictures of these before I do anything with them. But adorable. I freaking love it. And seriously, if you have not looked at the jewelry on Etsy, especially the rings, like if you're a ring wearer, check the jewelry on Etsy out because it is amazing. Okay, I only have a couple more things that I'm going to talk about in this video. This next one I think is probably, I don't know, I ordered a lot of really cute stuff. This I think is one of my favorites. This was also hands down the most expensive item, but I'd like to point something out, okay? So I was making a wish list because my family always asks for a wish list every year. So I was on Amazon making a wish list, okay? And I came across this thing, okay? This blanket. And they've got a bunch of different styles. The one that I was looking at was $54.99 on Amazon. I found the exact same blanket on Etsy, but I could choose the fabric and I could get it personalized for $69.99. Well, and so the fabric choices were different. I chose the most expensive fabric, I think. I don't know. Anyways, I ended up getting it for a few bucks more than a cheaper, non-personalized one on Amazon. I supported a small business. I feel great about this decision. And this blanket is, if you guys have ever wondered, like what, I don't want to say like my real personality because like I show you guys my real personality, except normally I have like a way dirtier mouth. If you guys have ever wondered what kind of person I am, maybe this will explain things to you. This is a 50 by 60 blanket. Got it personalized. I'm gonna zoom the camera out so you guys can see because it's so big, okay? Can I stand up? Oh my God. You still can't see it all. Okay, so it's Shandy's horror movie watching blanket. And then it's got horror movie people. This is really warm actually too. So I had put this on my Amazon wish list, but it was like a different fabric and it wasn't personalized for like 10 bucks less. Okay, so screw that. I'm just gonna get the nice big cozy personalized one. It has my name on it. That is, you guys, I'm so jazzed right now. This is amazing. And I watch a lot of horror movies, okay? And I need blankets so my feet aren't exposed. If you know, you know, okay? I love it. That was from a Etsy shop called Cozygiftz, spelled with a Z. I will leave it linked down below. That is, I think, one of the best things that I purchased this entire time. I have like 2 more things. The next thing that I got, you guys, this is from a company called LGH Designs, or design. So it's Designs by LGH on Etsy, but like on other things, it's LGH_design, and they sent a coupon code too. Goodness. Okay, this was $25. It comes with a straw, which I appreciate that. Okay. It is another tumbler, but you guys. So it's another one of the, oh. Hand wash only, do not soak, warm water, no dishwasher, no microwave. Okay. So it's another one of those like metal insulated tumblers. But instead of Starbucks, it says Beetlejuice coffee, and it has this like slime dripping down. Oh my God. I love Beetlejuice. I love that movie so much. I have the handbook for the recently deceased behind me. I don't know which one I like more, and I ordered more. I'm getting more tumblers too. And they're all so cute in their own ways, okay? And I'm starting to really like the metal insulated ones because they keep my shit cold, and that's what I want. I just want my drinks to be cold, okay? But yes, I love that. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And they had so many cute ones, you guys. There's so many cute tumblers online. I used to get tumblers from like FabFitFun and shit, and it's like the little Kate Spade ones and stuff like that, and those are fine, but so many of them are made out of plastic, right? The Bando ones, a lot of those are made out of plastic. And like, okay, and I bought a couple of Starbucks ones that have like cute designs on them and stuff that are made of plastic, and that's cool, but I really like the insulated ones. The insulated ones are just a little bit more expensive, but still, so worth it. Last item that we're going to talk about today, this was $29, I think. Can I just say, okay, my favorite horror movie is Scream. My favorite movie, like, of all time, though, is the Rocky Horror Picture Show. It is a cult classic. They like, now to this day, they do these live showings where you've got people in front of the screen acting out the movie as the movie plays, and there's a lot of audience participation, and it's like a whole lot of fun, especially if you've seen the movie before, okay? We go all the time. I freaking love it. Rocky Horror is my shit. I love everything about it. It is so good, okay? So naturally, I had to get the science fiction shirt. If you have not seen Rocky Horror, this shirt will make absolutely no sense to you. But if you have seen it, how cool is this? Okay, you have Frank in his outfit, chilling, smoking a cigarette. Okay, science fiction, looks like a comic book. Oh my goodness, I love it. I freaking love the Rocky Horror Picture Show. This is such a cool shirt, you guys. Oh. So basically, those are some stuff that that is some stuff that I picked up from Etsy. I do have enough to do a second one of these. If you're interested in discovering more shops or more spooky things or more Schitt's Creek things. I only have a couple of Schitt's Creek things that have not been delivered yet. The other stuff is all spooky season stuff. Not necessarily horror movie stuff. There's like a couple. It's like a mixture, okay? If you want to see it, let me know down below because this is so much fun. I love Etsy, and this is gonna be probably a new problem for me. They just have so much cute stuff, you know what I mean? Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Let me know down below what you have found from Etsy lately that you have been loving. Any shop recommendations, any item recommendations, leave it for me down below, okay? Christmas is coming up. Mama needs ideas. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that bigger subscribe button below me if you'd like to see more of me, and I will catch you guys next time. Have a great one. Goodbye.